it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are at 450. Yeah, man, 450. With Cold Streets. For second. You know how long I wait for this? Oh, God, look at this smile for my face. You know how long I wait for this? So the first one drop, which I got pin at the end of this. Drop about nearly 2 years now, I think. If I'm not wrong, comment section, correct me if I'm wrong. So I've been asking 450. Why go on with this? So we have it now. So it's only right. 450, make up yourself. Bumbuckler. Make you jump in the one and see what I go on with Ricky. Yeah. True Ambassador, Javi, big up. Falcon, big up. 450. And then, big up yourself.
Make a rewind. Back to a time when Ricky and James was a child. I tell you about to get a youth where used to rough life. No bed them off to sleep untied. Yeah, this is a story about Ricky and James. Go to said place, but them life wasn't the same. Ricky was the one who get the chance to take a plane, while James in the ghetto still a suffer with the pain. Ricky said no worry, I'm a dog same way.
This come like a massacre with Tyler and was it Tyler and Puffy? Yes. That's the name, right? Yes, Tyler and Puffy. Yeah.
While James in the ghetto still a suffer with the pain. Ricky said no worry, I'm a dog same way. I ain't in the rich, me take you out Thailand. My brother for life, you know what that can't change. One last year before them part ways. Time fly, make we skip past 3 years. Ricky start chop and sell coat nice states. I breath every day, be a post on page. Our world, tell some pussy self for pay. But anyway, James' life still set away. Life I get harder, bills won't pay. So James call Ricky for up him get saved. But Ricky nah answer phone number change.
Alright. No, well, I guess we can see why Ricky get gunshot and a GM set it up. I guess me GMs do it. I guess me can see why. Cause our brother from young, you fly out, you go and you make whole heap of money, the G call you and you take the man call. Fuck with that.
So James call Ricky for up him get saved. But Ricky nah answer phone number change. The pressure build, James mind start stray. And for make things worse, him have a youth on the way. And for make things work, no time can waste. Cause the baby due date at the 25th of May. That days, James dark turn snake. And that's how the friendship turn hate.
That's how the friendship turn hate. Dark turn snake.
James dark turn snake. And that's how the friendship turn hate. James start made some meanful lost ways. James get dark, he never pay for be seen. Start make two link with the Danny night place. Rifle and key, robbery every day. Oh, you have to tell James crime not pay. Liar to the Danya now, grave or jail. Any pussy this full in my whole like crate. You get out like crate, head up me like it. And that a code better know your blood clot place. Couple months after, make a fast forward. Ricky start pre-him, one fly back a yard. Ricky get some intel, say the feds are pre-mad. So I two things, if him don't cut, then I remand.
So that's the reason why you found a yard. You have some pussy friend that says for real enough. That is the reason why you fly with a yard. That's not the only reason, because you get intel, so the feds after you. You remember James, until they reach a yard, you get fucked. You forget fucked.
Ricky get some intel, so the feds are pre-mad. So I two things, if him don't cut, then I remand. So as you know, Ricky flying. Without a clue, I walk on a nice scheme. Like in days now nobody can see him. Till way later when him go drop on the stream. And one day Ricky I drive just past some angle thing. And that's how James end up sighting him. Run go accident if you remember the boy was styling thing. Reaching at the place and the evil boy we are Heineken. James say what for go on, me for file the pin. Dan say him not for worry, him don't never style for him. Him have to run some money, that's the price for live. And if him ever tell me no I have a right for sing. Yeah, but would that be a choice? Tell me who wrong or right.
When the dog them, who wrong or right? Hold on. He might ask me a question, I go answer, wait.
Yeah, but would that be a choice? Tell me who wrong or right. Ricky say Lord James, cause things get nice. No James I pray Ricky life.
Comment section, what you know do? If you don't have a pussy friend, The two not grow together. The two broke bread together. Him fly out. Or she fly out. The promise was, if me good, you good. Once me good, you good. And for not even take a call, let alone for send back the bread, the dog hungry. And you forward back in the place only because the feds them after you. You're a pussy. See, I go forward in the place now. I expect that me, I go have your, no, me can't have your side still. 450, talk to them.
Right. Ricky say, Lord James, cause things get nice. No, James, I pray Ricky life. What would I be a choice? Alright. Every story of those sides.
Sure.
I remember when couple days pass and it done see him. And him say, I go a long time no see my G. Them end up a reason and the dance show him a pre. Say them I gonna need money for buy some machine.
At that point, me I say, you're Ricky, I get a pussy them nothing. And a gun in the pan. And a badness in the pan. You see me? And a that in the pan. But yeah, that with the pan to blood clot. Two story to a story. This, hey.
Listen, no, different in my pre. I can't help it and say what the fuck you mean. Boy, I wonder if you know how I like his scheme. Better pinch yourself because you must in a dream. Ricky say him nah give him a thing. Happy team don't know where so reach him. Live in a glass house and a stone and fling. End up in a situation him can't win. No defense, Ricky have thugs. Plus, furthermore, Ricky have guns. So, oh yeah.
So him fly down with a piece of cheddar. Him not have no funds. Him not have no links. Him have funds. Him not have no links. Him not have no gun. Him not have none of that. So you turn back to the same youth where this, James. For try and defend anything. You see your life go?
Fence, Ricky have thugs. Plus, furthermore, Ricky have guns. So, oh, you think Ricky end up turn to? The dog him poor with friend him young. And that's how James end up set him up. Shot in a chest, Ricky not getting up. James said, dog, oh, you for sell me out. I blood alone, words can't come out of Ricky mouth. Before you take your last bet, Ricky, tell me what you want for confess. Find out I didn't fuck my girl before you left and been a smiling on my face a long time, you should have dead.
So you're a real pussy friend. You is a real PUSS1. Several of them. That is what you offer the man, girl, bro. And I smile on the man's face, bro. No. You deserve a two more. You deserve a couple more gunshots. You know your blood clot.
Come in a foreign.
You deserve a couple more.
Find out I didn't fuck my girl before you left and been a smiling on my face a long time, you should have dead. Ricky, that caused me pain and stress. I ain't not done this, I ain't not here, nothing yet. They out of my thing cause my child and a mine. I find out after the DNA test.
How would the blood clot go on in Babylon City? How on?
Out of my thing cause my child and a mine. I find out after the DNA test. I treat her like my blood, like my flesh. Can't believe what this me really get. Hope God forgive me for left your pick me fatherless. And if not, pussy me see you in hell. Ricky, yeah, young but him traumatized. The only thing where him I see a red and blue light. Reach the hospital doctors I try to save a life. But a revenge alone, they poor Ricky mind.
You shouldn't live in a Ricky, you're a pussy. You make the man that a mine jacket. After you make a bag of money a foreign. Are you G, are you dog, it was. And I say you, alright.
Reach the hospital doctors I try to save a life. But a revenge alone, they poor Ricky mind.
But let me tell you this. 450, don't left on a cliffhanger again in my youth. Do not leave us on a bumbuckler cliffhanger because I did it for the last 2 years. Don't do it again, alright?
I pray who him I got kill no matter where they hide. But them have some news where Ricky now go like. The doctor say Ricky, the shot crack your spine. Ricky asks him what that mean, him say you're paralyzed. $450. Me tell her. $450. Me tell her say don't leave us on a bumbuckler cliffhanger, and you did. You did. What can I say? It's bad. So something I go complain. Yo, you have some friend who really steal like Ricky, you know, dog. You have some pussy who really steal like Ricky. What you expect James to do? What you left James to do? The man had a call you not take. That's the hottest part, you know. All right, cool. You not send the money, cool, fine, whatever. Me a G, me roll out. But me a call me G and him not answer him phone. Furthermore, the youth me get think I'm my one half you. Fuck we go on.
Ah, fuck, you go out with the boy. 450, what go on? Wanna think about that one, chat? Wanna think about that one, yeah? 450, just give it the bumbo cloth and my story and done. Just give it the whole story and done. 450, just give it the story and done, brother. Just finish the story and done, dog. Where do this for? What the fuck, yeah? Are the same thing Massacre doing, no? Are the same thing Massacre doing, dog? I'll know one next Puffy and Tyler story for dropping a winner seat, you know? Oh, no, but what the fuck, you know, dog? Fans of my weight, you know? Oh, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. 450, make up yourself, Miss G. Yes. Javi, make up yourself. Yes. Maniac, make up yourself. Yes. Joe Ambassador, bumbo cloth. And anybody else in the production team, big up on yourself. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ricky, I pussy, I forget. Come gunshot.
Binds! I know, sir, one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.